Excuse dito ako.
और देखो वो लोग बन रहा है पूरा come on guys
Ayan. So that's what they do. Ibibigay na nila yung mga kayamanan nila sa kanila. Alright. So these are the parents. Yan ang daddy and mommy.
ये देखो यार ये बढ़िया
It makes your hands maybe in there.
हम पूरा वो लोग दिखावांगे
Hala. Kailangan yatang anuhin. Ah, there you go.
Raman, your mom knows the size.
Good.
If one fit, I don't know.
Di na yan matatanggal, Angel. Ang dami. Ang dami, oh. So, Raman, what do you call that one?
Like it's kind of ritual that they do. Just when you start something new and all this. I don't know exactly, but yeah, I think something like that.
Okay, so it's a...
married mostly they wear in this bangles.
Ah, so you have one also?
No.
It's for the woman.
But I believe there is, for men, there is, right?
No,
In India.
it's just a one.
It's just a one
One.
stainless
That's one,
something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is different. That is for the religious purpose.
Mm-hmm.
This for
So
marriage
this
purpose.
is an Indian ritual. Okay. Kind. Marriage.
Because after the marriage, women start wearing that, right? So this is the start for her.
Ah, okay.
मासे रामते हैं
Namumula na yung kamay. Namumula.
Raman
Naku.
is okay, don't cry.
20 pa yata, Angel. Okay, last one.
Black and red and
Beautiful color.
Yeah.
Nice color. Oh.
Show like this.
Show.
Show like this.
Yay!
Hooray! Hooray!
Angel, बहुत अधिक.
मासी ने भी चंद्र का देखा.
Alright. Clip? Kailangan mo ng clip? Dongs, baka may clip ka. Dongs, clip. Para hindi natatanggal yung kanyang ano. Hairpin. Yeah. Kasi nahuhulog. Alright, so... Ayan.
Okay, ito lang yun. Ganyan. कितना रहेगा रे मैं कितना रहेगा
Ayan din sa kanya. Oh, ayan. Let's see. Oh, yan din ang ibibigay niya.
ट्रांसफर
न्यूं खां जमी बंद दिखांगे बिना चश्मे का.
नहीं बंद होना तो नहीं ना
Mag-take na ng picture.
एक बार बैठ जाओ ना. Let's have a photo together.
Yeah, I will follow. I will do the same thing too.
Ah, ayan.
This is also sweet.
Hala, ang dami.
पल्ले में रखना.
So, yan ang tatay. Wala, galit yata. Galit yata.
Ito nung kwadyo na ito pagbagan.
Agteka the picture.
Ha? Ha, बोल
चुन्नी ठीक ले लो
क्या लग रही है?
क्या चुन्नी ज्यादा कर रही है
कर ले चुन्नी
इस तरह
कितना ऊपर दे
Close.
very close enough
इस तरह
ठीक है मुंडे बन गए देवी तली ना बाबन कम हो
ठीक लग रही
Take it
ये ठीक है
easy.
सरकारी मुंडे हो गए
Ah, inaano nila. Isursuro da.
Susunod na.
Isursuro da nila kasano juga. They're telling what they do.
Yeah, so how they gonna put the thing?
ये भी कटनी क्या?
ना ना ये तो ठीक है ये तो ठीक है You have to eat all.
Okay, so that's the sweet. Ano yan? What's that?
Cloves. That's
Sweets?
Her.
Uh-huh.
Yes, cloves and sweets. To both of them.
रुमाल लिया
बैठ जो नहीं
टावल टावल नमक
Yeah, very simple. Do you have new towel? What's your? You have any towel?
याद है यार ayan tita dyan sa may folder na yan
So that's a new
मुंडे
towel.
वाला
nakuha ko
वो ला बैठो
Philippine is more easy. Don't worry.
pagdating natin sa India
Yeah, very, very easy.
बैठ
Okay.
लड्डू में one more okay one is for her and one is for him, so both of them we give everything with soaps. We have a hanky with us and the pants, t-shirts, everything, tie, everything will be there. It's more different.
Alright.
Usually there are like more people, so they each do this kind of thing.
All of them.
Oh, okay,
You guys are
okay.
gonna sit there 1 hour, 2 hours, just like that. Taking the photos every time.
Ah, alright.
You didn't inform us.
This guy.
If you should inform us,
Too many things. So
we buy
Stuff.
and then we can extend the time. Yeah, but
Yeah.
You guys also, so you guys give to them. This sweets we got one. So those two gonna be like your family, these two gonna be with our family.
yung 100
Ah.
back home but because we are here, so we need to buy it. So back home we make the sweet.
We'll buy at your home.
We
Yeah,
go
yeah.
we go to the girl's house before
yeah.
the the wedding.
Yeah, for the wedding. They make it there.
huwag
Yeah.
mo ibibigay sa envelope ko separate mo bibigay mo sa amin kasi nanay niya eh at yung isang nanay
Ayan, i-prepare din ni babae yan.
Because you know what, in Philippines, the couple they're dancing and then we just have
Give money.
the money. They're dancing and then there's
Give
a
the
line
money
of
and
money.
dance.
They're
That's it?
dancing. Yeah.
What about the ring?
Culture.
Okay, so it's the mother's daughter's turn.
you bring sweet.
yes this is for you and
then we
dito
sit down and eat side.
puso ko pa din alis dyan
Yay! Congratulations! Oh, pakainin
Gawa
din.
siya ng bago.
Yung hindi nabawasan.
Nagyan pa rin.
Dalawa naman yung isa lang kinakain kanina.
tapos papakain sa amin yung isang
And the
sweet
sweets, the sweets.
Sorry, dalawa. Papasubo mo lang sa amin.
Ano meron lang?
Raman.
That's not the right thing.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3.
Happy
Hey.
face! You guys so serious! Say yes! Say yay!
नहीं रखा मन नहीं पाएंगे
Okay, magbibigay din siya. Oh! Rupee.
Yeah, रुपए
बस बस रहने दे आरती रहने में कम
you also she will be
Huh?
yeah
One, two. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Happy face. We want happy face. You guys are so serious. Is it just like that? Okay, more. Ay, you're so serious, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yay! Clap your hands.
Parang nakakayang magbigay kung ako
Hindi yellow, hindi brown.
हाँ
पहले दिए ना
हाँ
पहले ना बेंटे बेंटे ना
Kung magbibigay
पैसे ना 500 भी पाए
magbibigay na daw kayo. Pero kung
Patay,
hindi
benta na.
O, di magbibigay na.
बेंटे ना
Bigay na natin.
Everybody wanna click after this photo.
Mag-asawa?
yes
Post nila.
Anything is
Tapos kung ano.
yes
kahit magkano lang. Kahit magkano lang daw.
Kaya nga.
Oo.
Pwede. Mag-asawa.
Because we don't carry money. You know, in Canada, we have a credit card. ATM. So,
that's okay
Just put it here, you can sit down.
Oh yes, thank you.
Picture ka, picture.
Like a
Cheers!
like a celebrity.
all we do like this
congratulations
yeah
ये पाओगे पाओगे गए पैसे
Thank you.
Madali naman. Cantar.
okay, next. Mga babaihan, ilabas na ang mga pera! Di ba di? Yes, kaya nasa yung
बल्ले बल्ले बल्ले
kalong pala ito. Magdayang-dayang na tayo mamaya. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Congratulations again.
Next.
next
Jika pangit.
Okay, accept this simple present from
this
us.
thing that's sweet
It's the same. We are just happy on the same 20, okay?
Oh, Daya!
Don't get jealous, okay? Don't worry.
give sweet though give sweet
Ay, hindi kasi lalakyan siya.
I'm sweet.
yeah sweet too both of them yeah
Tapos yellow, like this.
yeah abhi ke man no you both
Asan ang camera?
okay now cheese
Cheese!
Good.
Yay! Okay, next. Raman, your mom now.
Now
she's done
हम क्या करना होने पहले रिंग
और
Oh,
छोटा सा ना एक बस
Ayan. No more. No more.
that's it see still I give you the smaller tikka bro
Si mama.
Yayamanin si Manay. Ay.
that doesn't look like too big
Wow, very nice. Uy, may light siya. Ang galing.
it's okay now
No music?
That's good.
Later.
Later, Tito daw.
Sila?
Parang exchange
Wow.
ano sila.
Engagement ring or just the
Which-
wedding ring?
Which finger?
It's an engagement
We bring
ring.
it from
Okay
India,
guys,
so-
let's witness.
Happy.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love.
And fidelity.
Raman will say, not you.
Nice.
Raman say, listen.
Oh, meron din pala.
They bring it from India, right? So
Okay, push more, push more.
we're gonna fix it because they don't know the size when they bring it. 'Cause
Huwag mo
when
tanggalin,
I
Jinjin.
think it's fit. It's fine. Ah, maano siya.
It's okay.
A bit tight, I
A
guess.
little bit tight.
they remove it.
Save trust.
Yes.
May ilaw pa.
Of course.
Nice. Left. Left, right.
Yes, of course, left.
It's too big and it's too short.
Congratulations.
Alright, congratulations.
Ring.
Ring, ring. Nice. Ganun niyo, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tahu, data kami.
Oh, aray ko.
So, उसका तो पल्ला भी नहीं है।
Just get something.
Another towel.
Another towel daw.
Oh, yeah.
चुन्नी ले आते हैं
Almost the same in the Philippines. This one. Sabong.
हाँ
Yeah. Is it alright?
yeah
Shoulder mo dong, shoulder mo. Ah, okay.
Maraming pera.
here smile yes
Treasure.
Alam mo natin sa susunod, damihan natin ang mag-ubay.
Mahawak lang yan, di yan sa'yo.
Oh, di yan sa'yo.
Just keep it for now. Still in here.
The money for them.
Later on.
Ah. Alright, so tapos na guys. Okay, picture taking na kayo, picture taking. No?
नहीं नहीं वो लेकर रखेगी तो फोटो हमारी
Ayan, tapos na guys, tapos na. Oh, okay.
Ang mga lalaki, taga-upo lang pala. Kayo, picture ka ni Jayon. Sino pala?
It's okay.
Kainan na guys, kainan na, tapos na. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye.